Guys, Tian here. I wanted to do something a little different today. In this video, I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite cable companies, and that cable company is called Comcast. Now, a lot of you may have heard of this, but a specific category I'm going to be talking about is their entertainment operating system called X1. In this video, I'm just going to talk about each and every single feature that I love about the Xfinity operating system, and it all starts with the guide. The guide is designed specifically to help users find whatever program they're looking for. You can literally just search for any show you want by just scrolling through the guide. And what I basically like about it, which not a lot of people would care about, is you can see the show thumbnail that you're looking for, and you can actually get a little preview on when the show is going to be coming on if you click the info button on your remote. The feature that I love about the Xfinity operating system is the on-demand screen and how easy it is to navigate through the menu and find what you're looking for. Now, I don't know if you guys actually remember this, but in the old on-demand there was basically a long list of shows to choose from, but it was not as compact as this was. In here you can actually get thumbnails of the show that you want to watch, and you can actually scroll to the categories that you're looking for. The old on-demand basically just had a blue screen with a lady that used to talk in the top right, which was kind of really annoying. I just mute the TV until I found what I was looking for, and then I muted it. No offense. You can really just scroll through any show that you're looking for, and the one that you find, you can just go down into the menu, and if you want to come out of it, you can just click the up arrow on your remote and just search for another category that you're looking for, and just repeat the same task. You can literally go from list to list to list, or category to category, like featured and top shows, like the category that I'm in right now, and scroll to the one that you want. And please know that some shows you literally have to pay for, which I really don't like, so I just try to watch as many free shows as possible. Next is the Xfinity main menu. What I like about this is it allows you to go ahead and look at your menu options without having to take over the whole entire screen. And when you find what you're looking for, you can lift this. I'm just gonna lift this camera up. You can literally just go back to whatever you were doing, because it's going to take over the whole screen, because that's what it's supposed to do. Like on demand takes over the whole screen, and that's basically it. I love the menu. It doesn't take over the whole screen, and that's what I like about it. It doesn't protrude. Now, another feature that I really love about the X1 operating system is the ability to have it talk to you. Now, I'm a visually impaired person, and to see that Xfinity actually thinks about all of their customers is really awesome, which is why I always stick to Apple and Comcast, because they always provide top-notch products. Now, if it was Verizon, they have the same thing too, but I'm not going to go ahead and get into that. We're talking about Comcast right now. So what you're going to basically need to do is press the A key on your remote twice, and here's what you can get.
Voice guidance. Here on screen, text and options spoken aloud to help you navigate through screens. Press right arrow button then OK to activate. Tip: to turn off voice guidance later, return to the help section and press A. Cancel.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and click turn on voice guidance by pressing the right arrow.
Turn on voice guidance.
And then we're going to get some feedback on how to use it.
Voice guidance on. Press the menu button to access the main menu. The menu button is a rectangular button located 2 rows above the OK button.
Alright, so since we got that, now let's go into the menu in here.
Xfinity main menu. Press right or left arrow to review, then press OK to select. Notification center. Guide. Save.
In the on-demand menu, you still get audio feedback when you're using voice guidance.
Networks. Life. Life, featured life. Press left or right arrow to review items. Press up or down arrow to review categories. Press OK to select. Grillin' and chillin'.
Feature that I really enjoy about the X1 operating system is the ability to command your system by voice. Now, in order to do that, you'll need to have an XR15 or an XR11 remote, which is really not that hard to find. You can literally just call Comcast and just update to there. But when we first got Comcast in my house, it came with the service. So this is the remote right now. I'll show you guys that at the end of the video. And it basically depends on which remote you have. If you have an XR11, the voice command button will be 2 rows above the directional arrow pad, and on the XR50 remote, it will be below the directional arrow pad underneath the arrow button. So here is 3 commands that I like. On demand.
On demand. Press right or left arrow to review, then press OK to select.
Show me apps.
Applications. Please note, apps do not support voice guidance at this time. Featured. Press left or right arrow to review items.
Yeah, that's
Press
one
up or
feature I
down
forgot
arrow
to tell you
review
guys.
categories. Press OK to
Voice
select.
guidance does not
Netflix.
work within applications. So if you are a visually impaired person or a blind person, you're not going to be able to use voice guidance with the X1 operating system within applications. Sorry guys, you're going to have to wait for an update. Not even on other platforms it's able to work. I don't know if on the Apple TV it works, but I know for sure on this it does not work. So here's another command that I really like. So show me movies about sports.
Red Army, 85 minutes, from $3.99. Rotten Tomatoes rating 95%, audience rating 85%, release year 2015, rated PG.
And this is another feature that I really like about the X1 operating system. This feature has to be Comcast Labs. Now Comcast Labs basically allows you to like beta test any new feature that's not in the operating system yet, but they just make it available to you. You can get here by going into settings and scrolling down to Comcast Labs. And here are just a few commands. I'll just let voice guidance read them to you guys. So I'm holding the camera with one hand, guys, so sorry if it's a little wobbly.
Auto play next episode, off selected. Automatically plays the next episode.
Okay, that's a lot more comfortable.
Smart resume for recordings, off. Automatically resume playback after fast forwarding through ad breaks. Currently, this is only available on recordings of ABC, NBC, Fox, and CBS primetime shows for 7 days after the programs air. Smart resume. Bluetooth devices selected. Pair Bluetooth audio devices like headphones.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna get my headphones. Alright guys, so this is the XR15 remote from Comcast. It's also backlit. You guys can see it's lighting up right now. It just turned off. Let me go ahead and tilt it around again. There we go. So there you go. It's got the voice command there. You've got the number pad. It's a lot thinner than the last one too, but it's shaped more like a foot. If you actually turn it around, it looks like a heel of a foot. If I go ahead and turn it like this, it looks pretty weird to me. What do you guys think about it? You guys still like the XR11? Guys, that's it for this video. I just wanted to do something new because I figured if I kept doing videos about Apple products, my channel would be extremely boring and no one would want to watch it. So I just decided to like mix it up a little bit and do something a little different with the operating system. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'll check you guys out in the next one. Thanks for watching guys. Take care. Oh my god guys, look at the X1 DVR, what it looks like in sleep. Look, I'm just gonna let you guys see this for a while. See, it's got that beautiful landscape color. Look at it change. That looks so beautiful. Now this only happens if you have a show pause and you're in the menu for a while. It's gonna go to sleep. Okay guys, that's really it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.